Hello everybody, welcome back to the journey. If you want to track Oopbuy's order, how can you check? So you already make a payment and you already made a purchase from Oopbuy, but you want to check the order status. So when your order will be arrived and now while your order is being delivered like this, you can track your order easily on application. So navigate to your Oopbuy on your phone. So this is your home screen, and what you need to do is go ahead to the user icon. It's gonna appear at the bottom side of your screen, so just click user here. So this is your usernames, and you can check orders, will help purchase and rehearsal, etc. So let's go ahead to check your order to orders. So when you click to your orders, you will be able to see payment pending, pending confirmations, and referrals and such as you will be able to see. So actually, I don't have any order in Uzbine because I haven't made a payment for yet. So if you already made a purchase and if you already ordered an item, your item gonna appear here. And if you see the track order, just click track order and you will be able to check the Ubuy's order. It's quite easy. Actually, it's also similar with other shopping application. Beside your order, you will be able to track your order as you wish. And you can also see the estimate days of arrival as well. So your screen gonna show you when your order can be arrived and when will your order arrive within which days and which day like this. So let's just go ahead to orders and try to check on your orders, and you can track your item easily. So that's how to track Ubai's order, girls. I hope this will help you a lot if you're the one who want to track your order. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much and see you back.